Thank you bafethu. So after my speculations along laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs kuthiwa uRanga Chivaviro uzoyishiya i-Kaizer Chiefs, bekungaziwa ngempela ukuthi i-future yakhe ikuphi. Abanye abantu bebacabanga ukuthi maybe bangayi-rescue i-future yakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs because simbonile ku-last game of the season la bekufuneka khona ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi iwine but bamfaka ngama-last minute akawazanga ukuconverta noma kushaya igoli, maybe lelo goli lelo bezosave i-career yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs yabo. But-ke today i-Kaizer Chiefs iconfirmile ukuthi uRanga Chivaviro uzoyishiya i-Kaizer Chiefs ekupheleni kwale season. So kusele nje amaviki ambalwa laphana ukuthi uRanga ashiye laphana i-Kaizer Chiefs yabo. So lo mdlali-ke lona wafika 2 seasons ago laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, bokuyi-high profile signing ngasikhathi afika ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Wajoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs laphana after ki-stand out campaign lapha ashaya khona amagoli ayi-17 for iMarumo Gallants yabo. Wadlala i-crucial role ngempela ukuthi iMarumo Gallants ku-CAF Confederations Cup ifike kuma-semi-finals. But-ke isikhathi sakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs-ke azange sihambe ngendlela e-right or the way bekaplane ngakhona yabo. So beku-expect-iwe ngempela that time ajoyina laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi uzokwenza izinto ezinhle kakhulu because bekuyi-high profile signing, but impact yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs ibe incane ngempela yabo. Iklabhu-ke azange exercise option yokuthi renew i-contract yakhe. So lo mdlali lona udlala ama-match awu-45 for i-Kaizer Chiefs, ukora amagoli ayi-9 ne-1 assist. Mawubheka ku-standard saku-PSL, that is not too bad yabo. But-ke inkinga enkulu la ukuthi uLolo Chivaviro begeja kakhulu amasitha noma amabhola obvious bekumele awashaye phakathi yabo. Nasi i-statement-ke saku-Kaizer Chiefs esikhiphile. I-Kaizer Chiefs ithi ngeke extend i-contract ye-striker uRanga Chivaviro yabona ma-expire at the end of the month yabo. Kuthiwa-ke lo mdlali lona ozalelwe eLimpopo wajoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs vele 2023-2024 season nge-2 year deal yabo. Ushaya amagoli awu-9 laphana njengoba bengishilo, udlala ama-match awu-45 for i-Kaizer Chiefs for his 2 seasons. Kaizer Chiefs-ke ithanda ukubonga-ke uRanga for i-positive attitude yakhe noma i-contribution to the team, but bamfisela okuhle kodwa going forward yabo. So uChivaviro kuyayishiya i-Kaizer Chiefs-ke after-ke i-season ebe-challenging kakhulu yabo. So ibe-challenging kakhulu i-season yakhe njengoba bengisho ukuthi wathola ama-chance but azange awa-convert, ebegeja kakhulu that time yabo. So i-final season yakhe vele ibe limited i-game time. Washayile amagoli awu-5 kuma-matches awu-22 but simbonile laphana isikhathi esiningi sengasadlali, ama-fans ambhuwa, kwiklabhu nje nabantu aba-around especially i-fan base azange babe patient ngaye cause naye there was a time la abonisa i-arrogance. So ama-fans bam-attack-a kakhulu, but mom-attack-a naye ufuna uku-react-a to ukuthi ama-fans ayam-attack yabo. Inkinga yakhe-ke ileyo nama-fans amkwatela kakhulu-ke lapho yabo. But-ke uhambile uRanga noma uyahamba ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I think ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs azozijabulela kakhulu ley'ndaba lezi ukuthi ekugcineni lo muntu lo uyayishiya i-Kaizer Chiefs yabo, cause abamfuni nala hambe khona bafethu. But-ke yeah, uma ubheka i-record lakaRanga ukuthi ushaye 9 goals in 45 games, i-record lakhe alikho that bad compared to amanye ama-strikers waku-PSL. But I think i-attitude yakhe towards ama-fans nanokuthi-ke phela yena begeja kakhulu, hayi lo muntu lo ebegejagejile, but-ke simfisela inhlanhla going forward. Sikhumbule ukuthi a few weeks back kube nama-reports kuthiwa khona ama-teams ambhekile laphana ku-PSL, kusho ukuthi nje ngeke ashode ngomsebenzi yabo. Kubalwa iMarumo Gallants, i-team ayaziyo la yenza kahle kakhulu i-time ayidlalela, and then kuyavela neMagesi, but sobona ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjani. But-ke ama-reports aphinde asho ukuthi iMagesi neMarumo Gallants ngeke bakwazi, lama-team ngeke akwazi ukumbhadala imali i-Kaizer Chiefs bemnika yona yabo. But-ke let's wait and see, sibone ukuthi uRanga uzophelela laphi nanokuthi usazoyi-revive na ilo i-career yakhe aphinde awashaye futhi amagoli. Danko bafowethu.